Hey everybody, so I was rooting around in the garage trying to get things cleaned up a little bit and ended up finding the old Trek Pack organizer that I had in the drawers of the Forerunner, and I wanted to show you what I worked on. Alright, so I did some organizing, and this is the drawer we usually keep all of our fly fishing gear in. So I've got Krista's sling pack. Fishy, by the way, is pretty rad. And then I took my Trek Pack organizer and cut things down and made this sliding organizer. So I've got gloves and all that sort of stuff in here. I've got different sinking tip lines, indicators. I've got my little chest harness there, any other gear that's kind of miscellaneous, some of my fly boxes, and then some extra reels and stuff. And the cool thing is that all this stuff is nice and organized now. It's not bouncing around. This drawer was just historically a mess, and now I can keep everything organized, and it's fairly simple to, well, it's kind of hard to do it one-handed, but push this forward. There we go. Pushed forward, and then packs can get organized in there. Pretty rad.